Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done sharing my heart again at the Early Childhood Center here in South Lyon, Michigan. This is where I went to Summer Kids Club back in the day when I was in elementary school. So it brings back so many memories, including the bag of popcorn that I got today from the staff to make me feel welcome and very nostalgic. But today's focus was all about leadership and turning our passion into our purpose. So just like the shirt logo shows different colors for this peace sign, there's different ways that we can lead. Some of us have a very strong voice. Some of us are more quiet. We kind of stay under the radar and we lead by our actions, and any way is fine. But whatever we do, we want to turn our passion, what we love to do inside of our hearts, into our purpose. Why we're here on this planet, why we're here on earth. We turn that passion into purpose. And a big passion we talked about is people. To put people first and things second, right? To make sure that we focus on helping others around us. Like Dr. Martin Luther King talked about, the most important question in life is, what are we doing for others? So we got to keep doing that. And we got to stay humble in the process, right? So like you'll see in the other picture, a part of this email that's sent out, the staying bumble or staying humble, like it says in their lobby here at the center. It's all about really not bragging about what we do, but just doing it because it's the right thing to do. Not because we're going to get a trophy or get paid to do a certain kind deed. We just do it because it's the right thing. And I love this quote here in the office of one of the staff members. It says, "Do what is right even when no one is watching." So that was another part that we talked about today, that even when no one's looking, strong character, being like a bowling ball, somebody with strong values, that we're doing what's right even when no one's looking, even when nobody's around, right? So we got to keep doing that. Remember what we're here for, to be someone else's helping hands. Think about our legacy before anything else, and really trying to be the leader, be the leaders that this world needs. So thank you so much for touching my heart. Never forget that you guys are miracles, like the M on all of our hands too, right? M for miracle, W for worthy. We never forget that, to help others believe that they're miracles too, be the leaders that we know you all can be. And thanks for touching my heart. Love you guys here in South Lyon, Michigan. As always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Check out my website link to follow my journey across this country, and make sure to check out the awesome playlist full of inspirational videos. Much love. Peace.